Yeah, good morning. We are from SVS Embedded. So the project title name is called Touchscreen Based Wheelchair Implementation for Handicapped People. In this project, we are using an home processor ARM7 LPC2148 and power supply crystal, and we are using one touch panel, and this is an resistive type touch panel. We are using 4-way resistive type, and we are using one driver circuit, that is L293D driver IC, and one entire wheelchair circuit we used. Here I'm going for the hardware. So I'm using an two 9 volts batteries. Those are high watt battery. These are connected to the power supply section. At the same time, I am using one ARM7 LPC2148 home processor. I was used. It's an 32-bit. Uh, it having total 64 pin IC. It's an quad IC having port 0 and port 1. Total 2 ports. Port 0 consists of 32 pin. Port 1 consists of 16 pin. It can execute 16-bit architecture. 16-bit as it can execute 16-bit and as well as 32-bit execution. And here I am using an Max 232. It's an ISP uh, uh, UART 0. So using for ISP. So we have two switches. One is the ISP switch and another one is the reset switch. So when I want to go for the programming and execution mode, I need to restart. When I want to change the program onto the microcontroller, I need to place the ISP, and I need to press and release the reset, so the program will be done. So here I used one L293D driver IC, quadrupole H-bridge driver IC. For motor driving purpose I was used. So so when I so these here I was connected the touch screen. It's an resistive 4-way touch screen I was used. It's a normal touch screen. Those are connected with the ADC, and I was used two pins either on and off. Port 1 I was used. So I prepared one wheelchair entire part. So let us go for here. I was used an robot. So I was fixed with the for two wheels robot, and entire circuit was designed and controlled by the L293D. So going for this was prepared. So wheels are connected. So when I going for the execution, so I need to on the power supply. So it was on. So it when I press the reset, so touch screen, it is continuously waiting for the x coordinate and y coordinate. So when I giving the forward, the robot will come for forward direction. So when I giving the stop, it was stopped. So when I giving for the backward, it is going backward. So when I pressing the stop, it was stopped. So I need to come forward. So better we will go for the uh, pen. It is coming forward. So I was prepared forward, backward, left, right. So basically you pitted one doll or whatever it may be. It was stopped. So I'm giving an Doraemon. When I going for the backward, yeah, it is going backward. Okay. So when I press stop, it was stopped. So when I left, it was left. But by chance it was stop. So forward, okay, stop. So I was prepared all. It's a normal battery. So it's a 9 volts battery. So it was connected, everything was fine. So it's a normal ADC based program and L293D based program. I was used the Kill software as a compiler to dumping the flash magic. This kit entire circuit was designed uh, using OrCAD software. So I prepared everything and dumped through Flash Magic software. This is an wheelchair implementation. So we can go for the large one also. By chance the student giving this much of as a major project, so I prepared one wheelchair. So this is an touchscreen controlled wheelchair implementation. And thanking you. If there is any doubts, let me know to SVS Embedded.